How to make a website using AI. You can now make a website using AI. OpenAI has a new feature called the chatgpt, with which you can create hundreds of lines of code to create any application and create any websites. Simply give it instructions and watch it make anything that you want. So let's get started in this video. Head over to a web browser and search for openai.com. Now from the home screen, let's scroll down a bit and head over to ChatGPT. As I said, ChatGPT is a new feature that has been released to the general public absolutely free of cost. Here it shows you the basics of using ChatGPT. You can take a look at that and scroll down and you can click on try ChatGPT. Now from here you simply need to give instructions and it will give you a whole website ready to go. You can type in something like that and you can hit this send button. And there you go, it has written the basics of creating a website using AngularJS. If you don't like this code, you can click on try again and it will generate you the code all over again. You can also make it write the codes of HTML and CSS. You simply need to search it and you'll have the codes ready to build a website.